Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. So firstly, at the right headphone we have volume up and volume down button. Volume up it's also a power button, and at the left headphone we have a multifunctional button. So firstly we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button until you will see the red LED light. After that we need to enter pairing mode, so again press and hold power button until you see that the LED light blinking blue and red. Here we go. And now we need to press at the same time volume down, volume up and multifunctional buttons until you will see that the LED light turn off. And you will also hear a sound. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers. And then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just return. Return to the Bluetooth, just go back and return here. And after factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. By the way, right now I have iOS 26 right here, so I need to only turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. I don't know if they fixed it in the future, but on the previous version you can just go back and return to the Bluetooth. So, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically after factory reset, and you just tap on them at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!